Good afternoon all of you, my dear students. Yesterday we have seen that, we have learned that present tense and their types. We have seen already each and every types of the present tense as well as their types and their sentences also. Again, I just recall that sentences and their formulas. Listen carefully. We have seen the present tense. First one is simple present tense. What is the formula? Subject plus V1 plus object. What is the sentence? I write a letter. Then the second one we have seen that continuous present tense. Subject plus am oblique is oblique are plus V1 ing plus object. Means that I am writing a letter. Third one we have seen that just perfect present tense. Subject plus has have plus V3 plus object. Then sentence I have written a letter. Fourth one continuous perfect present tense. That is formula is subject plus has have plus been plus V1 ing plus object. Now today's session is about the next one is the past tense formulas and their sentences also. Now let's see on the blackboard and listen carefully, see carefully and understand. You have to just only solve the examples. Let's see here. Past tense. See the first one. The formula is or one type name of this past tense is simple past tense. What is the formula? The formula is subject plus V2 plus object. This V2 is important. I told you yesterday also. V2 is very important. Whatever, any verb is very important. What is the subject? That I writes V2. When we learn that word, for example, write is V1, wrote is V2 and return is V3. This one, write, wrote, return. We have to use here a wrote. I wrote a letter. I wrote a letter. We have to use here. Before that, we have to learn all the verbs V1, V2 and V3 also. See the second one, continuous. Past tense. What is the formula? Continuous past tense is a subject plus was where. This one is a helping verb in past tense. Was where, was and where. Again, we will see that when we use this a was and when we use this a where, when there is a singular, that times we use this a was. And what there is a plural, that times we use a where. Subject plus was where plus V1 ing plus object. The sentence is I was writing a letter. This one is the tools. First, simple past tense and continuous past tense formulas and their tenses. See here also. You have to just only see very carefully, listen carefully and you have to write in your notebook. Then, let's see the third one. What is the third? Let's see the third one. Third one is a perfect past tense. What is the formula of this perfect past tense? Subject plus had plus V3 plus object. This one had is very important here as a perfectness because this had and V3 give here a perfectness. I had written a letter. What is the meaning in Marathi? When we see that simple past tense, that times what we have written here, I wrote a letter. मी पत्र लिहिलं. Then second one continuous past tense, I was writing a letter. मी पत्र लिहित होतो. Then third one, I had written a letter. Means that मी पत्र लिहिलेलं होतं. That is a past action. पास्ट मध्ये काल कधीतरी त्याच्या एक तासापूर्वी माझं हे लिहून झालेलं होतं. That times we uses here I had written later. This uses here perfect past tense. Then the fourth one is perfect continuous past tense. See, the fourth one is a perfect continuous past tense. This one is I told you that yesterday also that present perfect continuous tense also is very important. That is also, this one is also very important. All each and every tenses are very important for you because this is the base of your grammar. That parts of speech also is your base of grammar, but this one is also base your grammar. When you learn very carefully, that times you can changes the voices also, active voice and passive voice. That times when you learned, when you did or when you understand very perfectly, that time you can changes a direct indirect speech also. When you have to do in a direct indirect speech, that is tenses is very important. First you have to learn, you have to understand this one very carefully. Then see the last one. What is the formula is? Subject plus had plus been plus V1 ing plus object. This is the formula of this last types. What is the sentence? I had been writing a letter. I had been writing a letter. See here, I had been writing a letter means मी बराच वेळपासून माझं पत्र लिहित होतो. मागच्या याच्यामध्ये किंवा आपण त्याला म्हणूया पास्ट मध्ये झालेली गोष्ट, कालच्या गोष्टी झालेली किंवा काही तासापूर्वी झालेली गोष्ट, ती गोष्ट जी चालू होती आणि त्या ठिकाणी ती गोष्ट थोडी त्यांनी पूर्ण केली होती आणि त्याच्यामध्ये ती एखादं लेटर लिहिण्याची क्रिया कालचं तो सांगत असेल तर मी या वेळेला माझं लेटर मी लिहित होतो. त्यावेळेस बराच वेळपासून माझं लेटर लिहित होतो. त्यावेळेस हा आपल्याला टेन्स आपण वापरतो. आता मी जर तुम्हाला सांगितलं होतं हॅडचा वापर कसा करायचा, जर या ठिकाणी सब्जेक्ट आय असेल तर हॅड कधी वापरायचा, किंवा रादर मोस्ट ऑफ द पास्ट टेन्स मध्ये हॅडच आपल्याला वापरावा लागतो. प्रेझेंट टेन्स मध्ये आपण हॅज आणि हॅव असतो. हॅज सिंग्युलरला वापरतात, एक वचनाला वापरतात, आणि हॅव प्लुरलला वापरतात, अनेक वचनाला वापरतात. तसंच या ठिकाणी हॅड इज कन्फर्म असतं. दॅट इज व्हेरी इझी टू अंडरस्टँड, इझी टू मेमराइज. हॅड खूप या ठिकाणी जर वापरलं आपण तर असं त्याला ऑप्शन नाही, हॅड वापरावंच लागतं. पण वॉज वेअर जसं आपण कंटिन्युअस पास्ट टेन्स मध्ये पाहिलं तर वॉज वेअर कसं वापरायचं त्याचा चार्ट मी आता तुम्हाला लिहून देणार आहे. सी द चार्ट. I, then you, then they, he, she, it. See here. I was. When there is a continuous action, I was. We were. Continuous actions. Then you were. Then they were. Then he, she, it. He was, she was, it was. What is in a perfect tense? Perfect tense मध्ये आपण काय वापरणार याला? That is, we just have to in perfectness, in a perfect tense, that times we have to use this here only had, had. There is nothing, any options here. This one is very easy one. You have to just only understand, you have to just only memorize it. Use this here only had. Doesn't any options. This is a chart of past tense. Now let's see the future tense also. In a future tense, what is the first one? That is same one, a simple future tense. In a simple future tense, what is the formula of this simple future tense? Subject plus shall be plus V1 plus object. That is shall be is just gives an idea of future tense. Shall be is very important. But see here, what is the sentence? We have to change it. I shall write a letter. I should write a letter. मी पत्र लिहीन. That is one. Now today's there are so many people when they communicate each other, that time they use I will. That is also correct one. When you use a will also, that is we can say that it's not wrong. आता बऱ्याचशा लोकांमध्ये I will. That is the contracted form I will. I will ह्या पद्धतीने contracted form मध्ये वापरलं जातं. तरी सुद्धा करेक्ट आहे. पण मोस्ट ऑफ द शाल हे वी शाल आणि आय शाल साठी वापरलं जातं. म्हणून आय असल्यानंतर आपण या ठिकाणी शाल वापरणार आहे. सी द सेकंड वन. Continuous future tense. What is the formula? Subject plus shall will पैकी एक, that is of shall आणि will पैकी एक वापरायचे तुम्हाला. shall will plus be is very important here. be plus V1 ing plus object. This be is very important here. You have to just only memorize. You have to learn here be. What is the then changes the sentence? I shall be writing a letter. I shall be writing a letter. Means what? मी पत्र लिहित असेल. That is a future action. मी उद्या हे पत्र लिहित असेल. मी हे पत्र लिहीन. मी उद्या पत्र लिहित असेल त्या वेळेला, त्या 11 वाजता 12 वाजता whatever that is a timing. या वेळेला मी ते पत्र लिहित असेल. This one is your second type. Then see the third one. Perfect future. Perfect future tense. This is a perfectness. Complete झालेली action future मधली. What is the formula? Subject plus shall will. That is very important. Always you have to write a shall will. When there is a shall will, when there is a should, when there is a would, that times you can say that it's a present. That is a future tense. Shall will plus have plus V3 plus object. Have. There are so many students confused that why given here have, but that is a formula. Don't use the have, just only have. ज्या हा फॉर्म्युला असा आहे टेन्स, परफेक्ट टेन्सचा, परफेक्ट फ्युचर टेन्सचा, त्या ठिकाणी हॅव वापरावाच लागतो. मग काही मुलं म्हणतात की मग या ठिकाणी सिंग्युलर आहे तर हॅज वापरायचा का? नाही. परफेक्ट टेन्स मध्ये हॅव हाच वापरायचा आहे. हॅव येतोच, पण त्याची जोड कशाची असते? शॅल विलची याला जोड असते. द चेंजेस ऑफ द सेंटेन्स. आय shall have written a letter. I shall have written a letter. मी पत्र लिहिलेलं असेल. बघा, what is the difference? मी पत्र लिहिलेलं असेल. Then fourth one, perfect continuous future tense. This one is perfect continuous future tense. See the fourth one. What is the formula? Subject plus again shall will, again have, then been. Been is given here some perfectness. Been plus V1 ing plus object. V1 ing means that continuous action. Continuous action. Been means that this one is a perfectness. That's why it is given here. What is the change of when? In this way, we have to change the sentence into a perfect continuous tense. The last one is going on. Change. Then I shall have been writing a letter. I shall have been writing a letter. मी बराच वेळपासून पत्र लिहित असेल. त्यावेळेस हा टेन्स वापरला जातो. आता जसं मी प्रेझेंट टेन्सचा पास्ट टेन्सचा तुम्हाला आय हॅव गिवन यू अ चार्ट दॅट इन दिस वे आय शल गिव्ह यू अ चार्ट अबाउट द फ्युचर टेन्सचा सुद्धा तुम्हाला चार्ट मी देते. I, we, you, they, he, she, it. See here. I shall. Most of times there are so many people use this will. That is also correct one. We will. Sorry, we shall. Not a we will. We shall. Then you will. Then they will. Then he, she, it will. In this way, you have to use this here. And that perfectness, you have to just only what? Have plus V3. That is only have. You can write here have. 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 There have. This is a perfectness. This one is a perfectness. I think you understood very well. Just let's revise all the formulas. Okay? Present tense. Simple, continuous, perfect and continuous and perfect continuous tense. First one is simple. Subject plus V1 plus object. Continuous. Subject plus amizar plus V1 ing plus object. Perfect. Subject plus has have plus V3 plus object. Last one, subject plus has have plus been plus V1 ing plus object. Then see the past tense. First one is simple past, subject plus V2 plus object. Continuous past, subject plus was were plus V1 ing plus object. Third one, a perfect past, subject plus had plus V3 plus object. Then a fourth one, continuous perfect past tense, subject plus had plus been plus V1 ing plus object. Then let's see the third one, a simple future. Subject plus shall be plus V1 plus object. Then a continuous future tense, subject plus shall be plus be plus V1 ing plus object. Third one, a perfect future, subject plus shall be plus have plus V3 plus object. And a fourth one, perfect continuous tense, subject plus shall be plus then have plus been plus V1 ing plus object. This one is a real, we can say that all types of the formulas. You have to write all formulas in your notebooks and learn it by heart. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Okay, stay happy.